Hello and welcome to our video on how to use ChatGPT-4 for free. ChatGPT-4 is a powerful AI chatbot that can help you with a variety of tasks from answering complex questions. However, accessing ChatGPT-4 can be expensive, which is why we have compiled a list of tools that can help you use ChatGPT-4 for free. But before we get into the details, I have a special bonus for you guys who watch all the way to the end. So make sure you stay tuned for that helpful insider tip, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know which method worked best for you. Alright, let's get started. Perplexity AI is a search engine that provides suggestions and sources in response to our queries. It is designed to search the web in a deeply personalized way and can unlock the power of knowledge with information discovery and sharing. Perplexity AI offers an upgrade to GPT-4, which is the latest and most powerful model for OpenAI. You can download Perplexity AI for free and start using it right away. Next up is the Merlin Extension. Merlin is a Chrome extension that can answer any complex question with just a command plus M. It can also help you write articles, summarize articles, YouTube videos, websites, documents, search the internet, and enhance your Google search. Merlin makes it easy for you to access the ChatGPT and GPT-4 on any website with just a command plus M. Merlin also shows response from the ChatGPT alongside Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Baidu, and other search engines for free. Merlin is a jack of all trades and offers various useful productivity features like YouTube Summarizer, Access Current Data, Blog Summarizer, Merlin on Twitter, Merlin on Gmail, Access GPT-4, Merlin on SERP, Merlin on LinkedIn. You can download Merlin for free from Chrome Web Store. If you are a Microsoft Edge user, you can access ChatGPT-4 for free on Bing.com. Bing is an AI search engine powered by ChatGPT and GPT-4. Bing has taken the power of ChatGPT and GPT-4 in partnership with OpenAI and enhanced it with real-time information and citations. Unlike ChatGPT, Bing Chatbot's internet access give it the ability to provide more up-to-date responses. The free version of ChatGPT, on the other hand, is only trained on data up to year 2021. So it cannot provide answer on current events. You can log into your Microsoft account and start using Bing Chat for free. Last but not least is Poe.com. POE lets you ask questions, get instant answers, and have back and forth conversation with AI. It gives access to GPT-4, GPT 3.5 Turbo, Claude from Anthropic, and many other AI players in one place. Poe.com offers limited access to ChatGPT-4, Claude 2, Claude Instant, and many others. You can use Poe.com for free and start asking questions right away. I have tested all tools with a single command and checked that which works best. To my analysis, Perplexity AI tool works all the best. And there you have it, folks. Your comprehensive guide to accessing ChatGPT-4 for absolutely free. Now go forth, explore these platforms, and let the power of AI transform your online experience. Don't forget to leave a comment below about which method worked best for you. Remember, every comment helps us to serve you better. So until next time, keep exploring, keep learning. And remember, I promised a special bonus, so stay tuned until the very end of this video. My insider tip is to combine methods by installing Merlin and using it alongside Bing for double the free AI power. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.